Cooked green beans and tomatoes, 55 calories only. Prepare 400 grams of washed and cleaned green beans. On a medium heat, squeeze 1 lemon inside a big pot. Then add 4 tomatoes, diced and chopped in the way that you see. Add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of vegetable stock powder. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic or 10 cloves. Then add the washed 400 grams of green beans and top it with 1 cup of water. Mix well and cover. Bring to boil, then lower the heat to medium-low and let it cook for 30 minutes. And it's done. Serve with a sprinkle of sumac on top.